Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet Mayberry stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the single crochet puff stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the Mayberry stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2. You're then going to work 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook, then 1 single crochet into each chain across for your first row for a little foundation row. Then the Mayberry stitch is going to be made up of 2 rows alternating, and I will show you how to make the first row on the row that I'm currently working right now. I have already made 2 chains on my hook. So to begin, you're going to make 1 half double crochet into this first stitch right here. You're going to skip 1 stitch, you're going to work in the next one. You're going to work 2 half double crochet in that same stitch. So 1 and then 2. Skip the next stitch. You're going to work 2 half double crochet into the next one together. So 1 and then 2. Skip the next stitch, work 2 half doubles in the next one together. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. When you get to the last stitch of your row, work 1 half double crochet into that last stitch. And that's how that row is looking. For your next row, you're going to make 1 chain and then turn your work. Into this first stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet puff. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet puff. 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet puff. One single crochet, then 1 single crochet puff. That's how that is looking. You're going to alternate between these 2 stitches for the rest of your row. So like I said earlier, you will alternate between these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet Mayberry stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.